Hello, I'm Ashbir Singh from Grade 8 Excel Public School.
Hello, I'm Yatin from Grade 8 Excel Public School.
And I'm Ujjwal from Grade 8 Excel Public School.
In India, street vendors play a crucial role in providing fresh fruits and vegetables to communities. However, direct sunlight causes produce to spoil quickly, leading to financial losses and food waste.
Our project Refreshee addresses this problem by creating a non-electric cooling box designed to protect fruits and vegetables from the sun and maintain their freshness.
Our box is inspired by vernacular architecture from Assam. Vernacular architecture in Assam uses local materials like bamboo, mud, and cow dung to adapt to the environment. For the Refreshee box, we used coir and jute for insulation and added a cow dung layer to provide natural cooling, inspired by these traditional methods.
We conducted surveys with vendors and customers. Vendors shared that high temperatures and sunlight significantly impact their produce, leading to a daily spoilage of up to 20%.
Customers also noticed that freshness was a major issue and felt that a cooling solution would improve their buying experience. Both groups were interested in our idea of an affordable cooling box.
Secondary research revealed that prolonged sun exposure reduces nutritional value and accelerates spoilage.
The Refreshee box consists of a wooden frame for structure covered with either pleated jute threads or coir rope for insulation.
A layer of cow dung is applied for its natural cooling properties, followed by a white cloth to reflect sunlight. This combination keeps the interior cool and fresh.
The dimensions of our prototype are 22 cm in height and width and 35 cm in length, ensuring it is compact and easy for vendors to use.
We conducted experiments comparing ambient temperature to the internal temperature of the Refreshee boxes. Both the coir and jute versions showed significant cooling, with the coir box performing slightly better.
Spinach kept inside the Refreshee box remained fresh after 150 minutes in direct sunlight, while spinach outside wilted and dehydrated significantly.
These results demonstrate that the Refreshee effectively reduces spoilage and maintains the quality of fruits and vegetables, helping vendors save cost and reduce waste.
What makes Refreshee unique is its use of natural materials and its reliance on traditional cooling techniques inspired by Assam's architecture.
It requires no electricity, making it ideal for street vendors who are constantly on the move. Plus, it is sustainable and easy to maintain.
By preserving the freshness of produce, Refreshee not only benefits vendors but also ensures customers receive high quality fruits and vegetables.
In the future, we propose to have a layer of cloth inside the box treated with silver nanoparticles to prevent fungal and bacterial growth.
The size of the Refreshee box can be adapted to suit the size of the vending cart.
Thank you.